rolling up our sleeves and getting practical. We are talking about how to create a workplace culture that not only functions smoothly but also makes people excited to come to work every day. We will discover actionable strategies, inspiring examples, and the secret sauce that transforms a company from good to great. The power of positivity, why culture matters. Before we get into the how-tos, let's revisit the why. Why does a positive organizational culture matter so much? Well, for starters, it's not just about happy employees. A positive culture can fuel innovation, boost productivity, attract top talent, and even improve your bottom line. Think about it. When people feel valued, supported, and connected to their work and their colleagues, they are more likely to go above and beyond, come up with creative solutions, and stick around for the long haul. A positive culture creates a sense of community and purpose, making work feel less like a chore and more like a fulfilling endeavor. But building a positive culture isn't just about sprinkling some feel-good vibes around the office. It's about creating a sustainable system that reinforces positive behaviors, values, and beliefs. It's about weaving those threads into the very fabric of your organization, from the hiring process to performance reviews to everyday interactions. The culture blueprint. Key elements of a positive workplace. So, what does a positive organizational culture look like? While there is no single answer, here are some common elements that often show up in thriving workplaces. Clear values and purpose. Employees know what the company stands for and how their work contributes to a bigger picture. Open communication. People feel comfortable speaking up, sharing ideas, and giving feedback without fear of reprisal. Respect and trust. There is a strong sense of mutual respect and trust among colleagues and between employees and leaders. Collaboration and teamwork. People work together effectively, pooling their talents and expertise to achieve common goals. Growth and development. Employees have the opportunities to learn, grow, and advance their careers within the organization. Recognition and appreciation. Hard work and achievements are recognized and celebrated both formally and informally. Work-life balance. The company supports employees' well-being and encourages a healthy balance between work and personal life. The culture toolkit. Strategies for building and maintaining a positive vibe. Now that we know what we are aiming for, let's talk about how to get there. Here are some actionable strategies you can use to cultivate a positive culture. Lead by example. As a leader, your actions set the tone for the entire organization. Model the behavior you want to see in your employees. Be authentic, transparent, and approachable. Communicate, communicate, communicate. Keep your employees informed about company's goals, challenges, and progress. Encourage open dialogue and create opportunities for feedback. Hire for cultural fit. Look for candidates who not only have the right skills but also share your company's values and vision. Invest in onboarding. Help new employees get up to the speed quickly and feel like part of the team from day one. Create rituals and traditions. Celebrate milestones, birthdays, or simply the end of a successful week. These small gestures can go a long way in building camaraderie and a sense of community. Offer opportunities for growth. Provide training, mentorship, and opportunities for employees to stretch their skills and take on new challenges. Recognize and reward. Don't just acknowledge big wins. Celebrate small victories and everyday efforts. A simple thank you can go a long way. Foster work-life balance. Encourage employees to take breaks, use their vacation time, and prioritize their well-being. A rested and happy employee is a productive employee. Creating and maintaining a positive organizational culture is an ongoing journey, not a destination. It requires constant attention, intentional actions, and a willingness to adapt and evolve. But the rewards are immense. A thriving workplace where employees feel valued, motivated, and connected to a shared purpose. It's a place where people want to come to work, not just have to. And that's the kind of culture that can propel your organization to new heights of success.